Alright, this is going to be the long side trade. Box overshot, try to come down to 200. And we'll see if we can get some legs out of here. There's no reason it couldn't come up here and then reach for a lower low, though. That's for sure, especially the way all these are looking. So I'll be back. Just trying to find a bottom here, but need to make sure it does it slowly. Don't want to create a big bulge here. It needs to stick around here, slow down, let the bands catch up. And then starting to turn. 610 needs to get on up in there. And, one. Alright, I'll be back later. Alright, coming into targets here. Alright, needs to break out here. Add. Field bolt bear flag on 144 underneath the 0 line that I'm keeping an eye on, but I'm starting to watch these higher time frames this band can hold. So it's going to take a little bit longer. It's trying to hold. I don't know if it'll be able to or not, but we'll be back here shortly. Well, not good. 20 half. There's a reason, I don't know. I'll show you where I did that. Jeez. Oh, I didn't play today good at all. Had the right side. And absolutely screwed the pooch. Just needs to hold here. Need to get a little bit of wiggle room. Coming in to support at 20 half, 20.4. Could be totally wrong, unless there's something I'm missing here. Added in. Nice divergence here. Got a divergence on the 610. just don't know if it's going to be enough. Well, that NQ short would have panned out nicely. I could be wrong on this TF for sure now. NQ's falling apart, looks like. Down 34 points. Alright, I'll pause it. Alright, stop just got hit down here at 19.8. I'm trying to figure out what I'm missing here. If it gets much lower than this, I don't have anything prepared for lower. I mean, we got the, 14.13, 14.12s. Alright, this is a shot. This is it right here. Last trade of the day, last shot. Took that stop like an idiot. Should have never moved it. But I did, so I can take it back.
NQ is just making me sick even looking at that thing. Jeez. Alright, I'll pause it. I'm starting to move in the right direction now. See if we can get up and out of here. Do expect another pull back in. Nice bulge on the 987. Nice foot forming on the 610. Nice divergence, nice divergence. So now just how much whiplash we get in here before we at least taking an attempt to maybe retrace half of today's up to this area up in here. Let's try to get at it in here. And I'm going to step away for a second. Alright. And then she's trying to build to the upside. I'm fighting the 4181 like an idiot, but we'll see if she's got any legs here. If not, I'm toast. And just have to cut right Monday off. Alright, still here. Some time's gone by. So been adding into this pullback here. Got stopped out, of course. Trying to get back long again. At least see if we can get back to the 25.5 area. Some up in this area. Come back, test 100% extension down. Usually does that. Better if it would have reached down a little bit lower, but hey, we're in. Let's see if it's got any legs here. I believe we were probably pretty close to the low here to at least get a retracement back up through today and tomorrow. Late this afternoon to give us a clue of kind of what to expect from tomorrow. So I'll be back later. 10:45. I am just got back in the office, just checking on things. 610's looking good. I need this to bull flag up here above the zero. 610's got a little bit of work to do. Trying to reach. Bottom band's going to come up underneath. We're going to need a flag here eventually. I've got 3 targets set up with a 10 contract runner. Not sure if we'll get all the way up here today, but we should be up there tomorrow. So. I'll pause it and come back, and we'll see what they got for us. All right, back 12 o'clock. Got close to the targets. A bit of load. We should be able to get up there and get these. Ultimately, buy signal. This one was kind of weak, but that was your second chance right there. So sit back and see what we got. Bonds off the lows. Good bit. Check the NQ. Oh man, there it is. Nice divergence, bull flag right at the 0 line, pull back. Beautiful. Well, I'm on the couch watching some movies, getting lunch made. So I believe that we'll work higher from here. So I'll talk to y'all. Alright, just now finishing up lunch. Finally got into those first targets there.
everything's moving okay. I mean, I'm looking for 26, really 26, 26.8, so 26, 27. We'll probably hit that today. So pull these in, and then I'll have some runners to work with going in tomorrow. All right, having a little trouble here. This could fall off here easily. I was having trouble. Fifteen ones, 15, 25 ones, 22s. Alright, coming into next block of targets here. Come on, one more shove up. And then once this one gets hit, these first two, if 26 half gets taken, then I'm going to look at 27 half actually, and then tighten this up. One hour's looking good. I'll bring that in for you to see if these targets will get hit. I don't like they touch me, but just having some trouble. It should get it. .4s and .3s are going. Comes back up and hits it. I should be taking, should be at the front of the line, but up in here for sure. Excuse me.
tighten this up, get all these moved over. I'll show you the 1 hour. Nice divergence here, 1 hour. You can see it. As long as it turns here, we should have a nice bottom to work off here. Not saying that we can't retrace back up into this resistance, this block through here, and retrace some of it for another leg. Would not be out of the question. But you see what I'm looking at on the 1 hour. Let's see. 4 hour. Bands are getting close together. See, we've got a little bit of divergence in here, but not like you saw on the 1 hour. This is a 240 minute. So, take in consideration you're running back into overhead resistance here as well. So this could look like the 1 hour before it's over with. We retrace back up into here, get those targets at 27s, 28s, and then maybe a rotate down to give us a divergence down here, a bigger one. We'll play that by ear, but that's kind of what I'm looking at on the really high time frames here. Starting to run into a little bit of trouble. Want to see some separation here. We're going to run ahead into this issue and to this one. So some slowdown here would not be out of the question, which we're going to see. Really want some extension here to kind of shove us up into there, and then we don't have very much to worry about. And just manage your runners how you see fit. So I'll be back. Alright, let's see if we can get this final push. Try to get through this 20-day here. Let's see, we're really pushing here. I don't think this will work. Come on, it's one more shove. It should do it. Alright, I'll pause it. I'm going to leave it up there for a while and see what this thing can do here. Really thought it would We're starting to get a little bulge here. Looking for one more, just one more shove. I guess this could have been it. It's not really the tall candle in reverse that I'm looking for. So, okay. Just trying to push here. See if it's got it in it. Come on. Trying to be patient here. So be patient now. Alright, I'll be back. This thing's 28 minutes long already. After doing some searching, kind of. I think I see the issue now. It's 8, 2, 3, 5. 138. Retracement down to this level. If it holds, that's the level we'll be going to. Alright. It came down a little bit. I was hoping it was coming down farther before it tried to run itself back up. So let's see if they'll fill me at not fingertip too bad. Alright, leaving the stop underneath here, and we'll see where we go with it. Well, got faked out. Really thought it was going to come back down here, but next stop's up in this level. Unbelievable. This video is 30 minutes long. I've got another one where I shorted the open today. I'm going to go ahead and just cut this one off. I'm looking for about 29. So I'll pause it, and if we get to target, if we come back down from here, I'm not going to let it break these lows. I'm going to go ahead and get out. So I'll pause it now and hopefully have this 31 minutes long on the dot. Alright guys, probably going to get ready to close up shop. I'm tired of sitting here. Was looking for the move back down into the 100, then the push back up to the 162. We're hitting the 61% retracement right now of the move down this morning. Back up, we retraced 61%. So I'm actually going to close up shop, call it a day, and I will talk to y'all.